Hello everyone, I am Seth Vermolm, Senior Product Manager at Sencore. Today, I am making a number of new feature announcements for Sencore's VB440 Uncompressed Video Monitoring Appliance. Sencore released the VB440 a couple years ago as a fresh design focused entirely on monitoring and analysis of uncompressed SMPTE 2022-6 and SMPTE 2110 IP streams. The VB440 has been a big hit with our customers as it provides unprecedented analytics for these new stream types and provides clarity to IP delivery issues and to the video, audio, and ancillary data payload. This powerful tool provides monitoring for dozens of uncompressed streams at one time with up to 80 gigabits per second worth of monitoring bandwidth, and the full motion HTML5 web UI provides complete control and confidence in monitoring for up to 8 local and remote users simultaneously. In addition to the existing video, audio, and ancillary monitoring features that the VB440 is already known and loved for, we are pleased to announce a number of exciting new features. The first set of new features I want to mention are related to audio. The VB440 has gained support for the SMPTE 2110-31 compressed audio and all the multi-channel audio capabilities that go along with this. In addition, the audio metering can now show a room monitor for 5.1 and 7.1 channel configurations that this encompasses. The next new feature I want to mention is related to stream capture capabilities on the VB440. We all know how difficult it is to work with and capture these high bandwidth, uncompressed streams. So we wanted to make this easier by introducing a rolling capture feature that allows the VB440 to continuously capture for a given amount of time, and then when the user sees the event happen that they want to capture, they can press stop and the current contents of that rolling capture are saved. Captions is the next big feature I want to talk about. We have heard from many customers that verifying caption integrity is a very important feature when it comes to distribution of SMPTE 2110. We have now added the ability to overlay 608, 708, and OP47 captions on the live video in the VB440, so users can ensure this ancillary data is working properly. And we went even further than overlaying and are introducing a new engineering view for captions that allows viewing of the raw caption data and the behind-the-scenes caption commands. In addition, the user can view the captions in a grid view so they can make sure the caption placement is correct. And finally, we want to give you a sneak peek at what we are working on now for the VB440. JPEG XS light compression is becoming increasingly popular within production and contribution because it allows many of the benefits of uncompressed video, such as low latency and easy manipulation. But it also offers a meaningful reduction in bandwidth to help customers make full use of their 10 gig links. We are currently implementing JPEG XS in SMPTE 2110 on the VB440. And this will be available in upcoming release soon. In summary, the VB440 is a great product from Sencore that really opens the door for customers to analyze, monitor, and troubleshoot their uncompressed video over IP feeds. And as Sencore continues to add features to the product based on feedback we get from customers, the product becomes more and more indispensable every day. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit our website at sencore.com or contact your Sencore sales representative to get more details about these great new features for the VB440 and for information about any of Sencore's VideoBRIDGE monitoring system or other great products. Thank you.